Do you want to talk about he's the only recordable accident we ever had?
Yeah, we can get away from the safety stuff. No.
My name is Phill Dunn. I am a professor of construction engineering technology, and I'm in my 22nd year of teaching here at the University of Maine.
Hi, my name is Grahm Freme. I'm a lecturer in construction engineering technology, and this is my 4th year.
Here at the University of Maine, since I've been an instructor here in teaching, one of the things that I always enjoyed was having barbecues here with the students, first-year students that come. Enjoyed taking the students on tours. We would go to construction sites, have an opportunity to deal with them one-on-one as opposed to in a classroom setting. So that gave us an opportunity to meet them at a different level. Grahm was one of the students that went on many occasions.
I guess what I like so far is just the general connection with students. I tend to teach some of the more math involved and the high-level science classes in our program. So the opportunity to work with a student one-on-one to get to know them and see where their struggles are and build off of those and expand where they can go.
We have capstones where we build things for nonprofit organizations, such as building roads with minimal tools. We made a handicapped accessible wheelchair trail around a pond. We have made a road out in the middle of Leonard's Mills for big pieces of equipment called Lombard log haulers. We have re-roofed cedar shingled places, and you get to work with the students one-on-one to see how they're going to react to the challenges at hand. And at the end of it, you get to see those aha moments where they come up with, wow, this really works, and something that they're quite proud of.
When I was a student back in 2017, we had worked with the Habitat for Humanity, and we worked with a single mother that was coming through the program, and we flipped a house for her, and eventually through the year's time we gutted the house, we ripped the roof off, we put in new rafters and new insulation, new roofing, and ended up with a new single-family home for a single mom in Old Town.
As the instructor, what we had to do was to try to facilitate the schedule and the organization out in the field. We knew that they could do the work, but they didn't have the skill sets to make it flow into a viable time frame. Now that Graham's an instructor, I'm sure that he understands those motivations and techniques, I would think.
I would think too, maybe. No, it's fun. It's one of the most fun classes we have, to be able to be out in Leonard's Mills or wherever we are in the fall foliage and enjoy the actual final class that you have with a student, to get to the absolute end and say, okay, here's the schedule, here's the estimate, here's the logistics and the planning and everything. Now let's do the work. So it's fun, it's enjoyable, and then you get to finally get to know the students one-on-one and work with them hands-on, so they get the opportunity to do some blue-collar work in the field, and typically they graduate here and they're managing the people that are building these things. So it's a good flavor saying, oh yeah, hey, we did this, and when we get out into the field, it's not everything they're going to be doing, but it's a good precursor to what is to come.